Okay, here we are. We are entering the lair of the Yazzie. Hello, Boo Boo Yaz. How's my girl? Yes. You want to say hello to everybody? Say hello. What is it, Yazzie? What you want to say, Boo? Yes, say hello to everyone. Hey, Boo Boo. What is it, Yazzie? Talk to everybody. Yes. Look, Yazzie is so happy. Yes, she is. She's got a nice little bed to sleep on. Yes, ma'am. And lots of toys to play with and a litter box. Oh my goodness, and she got stairs to go up. Yes, you do, don't you, my boo-boo? And look, Mama cleaned your room so well. Yeah. Yes, I did, boo-boo. Yes, you're welcome. You are welcome. That's my little girl. That's my good girl. And yes, I tell you what, it was a heck of a time cleaning the room for her. Woo! But we've got her a nice little bed and a little blanket to lay on in case she gets cold. Yes. Oh, she loves her bed. Yes, she does. Because this is my bed. Yeah, and this is how I come down the stairs. That's my beautiful girl. Yes, it is. That's my little Yazzie. She's so beautiful. Yes, she is. I love you, Yazzie. She's got lots of toys to play with. Plenty of food and water. Yes, ma'am. Aren't you pretty? You are a gorgeous girl. Say bye. Say bye-bye to everybody. Yazzie. Yes, boo. Yazzie. Come up here. Yes. She's such a good girl. Look at that baby. Yes. She's so happy. And no one would ever believe that you were going to be 18 in April. Yes, ma'am. But you're a beautiful little kitten. Born in 1994. And it's now 2011. My goodness. Okay, boo. Mama's going to go now. Okay? Say bye-bye to everybody. Yes. What is it, Yazzie? What is it? I ought to bring your friend Baby in here. Let her come in and say hello. Yes. You would like that, huh? Yes, she loves the baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Yazzie. All right. She's trying not to get her feet in here. Okay. Lay down, Yazzie. Okay. Let's see how good a girl Yazzie is. Hey. Yazzie. Come up here. Come here. Come here, Yazzie. Come on. Come on, see Mama. Okay. Oh, that's my sweet girl. Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. You're a good girl, Yazzie.